lagi ako naghahanap ng sabaw sa bahay. And ito, napaka-simple na diskarte. It's a recipe, it's a style of cooking. Bahala na kayo mag-isip. Pero ito siya, kung anong meron ako, yun ang gagawin kong sabaw. And ito, may tira akong carrots. Then, meron akong giniling na manok. Then, repolyo, sibuyas, bawang. Napaka-simple lang. So, I will heat up my pan. And ito siya, minsan kasi, naghahanap tayo ng masarap na sabaw. And ito, sabaw, ulam na rin. No? I will just mince my onions. Ganyan. Kalahating sibuyas lang. And bawang. 2 cloves lang na bawang. Mince na rin natin. Then kamatis. Kalahating kamatis lang. Malaki kasi yung kamatis. I will just add a bit of tomato to this. So, pag may konting sabaw, di ba, nag-warm up ng tiyan. Lalo pag gutom na gutom ka, ayaw mabigla. Eto, konting higop lang makes you feel better when you're, sinasabi lang, under the weather. Eto, just saute onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Sasabay ko na rin yung aking carrots. A little bit of salt to bring out the flavor of these aromatics. Yan, konting salt lang. And ito yung aking giniling. Ang gagamitin ko dyan, konting-konti lang. Hindi itong lahat. Mga 1/4 cup. Ganyan lang, isang ganyan, no? And ito yung mga tipid recipes natin on a budget. That is satisfying. Pero, alam mo, minsan, nagtitipid tayo, dear. So, hindi pwedeng sobrang magara always yung luto natin. And it's also good kasi to eat simple food dahil pag laging special, we don't feel that it's special anymore. It becomes ordinary. So, on a daily basis, pag araw-araw, simpleng araw, let's learn to eat simply. Ganito lang, oh. Yan. I will just add water. This is around 4 to 5 cups of water. Let that simmer. So, pwede mong dagdagan kung anong gulay na meron ka. May pechay ka, pechay na native, pechay na bagyo, meron kang bagyo beans. You can add anything you want. Diba minsan may tira-tira tayo ng konti, pwede mo lagyan ng squid ball, pwede mo lagyan ng patola. It's really up to you, but it's a very basic soup that we're doing. So, meron tayong repolyo. Simple lang to, repolyo. So, I will just let that soup boil. At yan, kumukulo na yung ating, and lalagyan ko ng ating miswa. Lalagyan ko na ba lahat? Ako, gusto ko ng maraming miswa, di ba? Lalo na pag naglapot-lapot yung ating broth. Yan, no? Adding that there. Ito kasi minsan, pag miswa, may mga naka-buo-buo. Ito, tatanggalin ko na to. Di ba? Walang sayang. Dapat walang sayang. Ito, gagamit tayo ng Maggi Magic Sarap. Of course, pwede ka naman gumamit lang ng simpleng timpla like patis or salt. Pero minsan, hinahanap natin yung meatiness. Lalo na pag bata yung pinapakain natin, kailangan natin ng dinamnam para gusto nila yung ulam. We make that flavorful with our Maggi. And you will add our repolyo. Let it cook. I like the repolyo na medyo malambot. And to make it even more healthier, add a bit more protein with our egg. So, magiging egg drop siya. And I need a bowl kasi ang bilis ito maluto. Dapat nakaupo na sa lamesa bago mo ilagay yung mga finishing touches natin. Soup. And I will finish with a little bit of black pepper lang. And lalagyan ko pa siya ng konting patis, ha. So, ito naman, nakabalansin naman yung timpla natin. Do not worry. Kasi minsan nagsasabi ka, ay, sobrang dami. Hindi, kasi depende naman sa dami ng luto mo, di ba? So, nag-a-adjust tayo. 2 teaspoons of patis, dagdag dinamnam pa. And now, when our noodles, yun, miswa, oh. Yan. And my egg, yan, ang aking, I will little drizzle it around. Yan, no? Create some ribbons with my egg drop. Yan. Swak sa budget at masarap. And now, I will taste. Soup bowl for me, please. Patayin na natin tong ating heat. And the sabaw is ready. Alam mo, masarap i-partner nito. May recipe tayo na Mac style fried chicken. So, this one, will satisfy your family. And kung hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe sa Simple.ph YouTube channel, it's about time you did kasi we're making a lot of recipes and also doing a lot of features. Pero, sabaw na ako. It's masarap. Clean tasting, flavorful, filling kasi may noodles tayo, may miswa, and there's a little bit of ground chicken. Napakasarap. Ito at kanin, pwede na eh. Di ba? Kain na ako ng kain. Hindi ka sila maka-decide kung ang tawag. Napakasarap, napaka-feeling, napaka-comforting, lalo na pag tag-ulan. Ang ating budget, miswa with vegetables. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.